Hey everyone, in this video we will solve FreeCodeCamp's Project Euler Problem 3, largest prime factor using JavaScript. Let's jump in. We are given a number and we need to return the largest prime factor of that number. So the function takes number and returns one prime number, the biggest factor that's prime. The idea is, instead of checking all numbers up to n, we keep dividing n by factors as we find them. We only need to test divisors up to the square root, because if n has a factor larger than that, the other factor is smaller. In the function, we will make a copy of the input n because I will make a copy of the input n because I will be dividing it. And I will keep a variable largest to store the biggest prime factor we find. Now I will handle factor 2 first, because it's the only even prime. We will use while n is divisible by 2, I update largest to 2 and divide n by 2. At this point, n is odd. So I can check only odd divisors, 3, 5, 7, and so on. I will loop while divisors multiple by divisors is less than or equal to n. Inside the while, if n is divisible by the divisor, I save it to the largest and divide it out completely. Finally, if after all that n is still greater than 1, then n itself is a prime and it's the largest factor left. So I set largest to n and return largest. That's the answer. Done. This passes the FreeCodeCamp tests include the big number case. If you want, I can also show an even more optimized or more readable version. See you in the next one.